Hello and welcome to World with Harsh. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the recent United States and India deal by which US Navy has handed over MS-60 helicopters to India. The induction of these MS-60 helicopters would enhance the India's naval capacity in the three-dimension warfare. The helicopters would be modified with several unique equipments and weapons. In this video we are going to discuss about the importance and significance of these MS-60 Romeo helicopters for the Indian Navy and how they are going to be important for the India-US ties also. So let us start with the video. It is another sign by which we can see that the strengthening of the India-US defense relationship. The US Navy has handed over the first of two MS-60 multi-role helicopters to the Indian Navy. The Indian Navy is procuring 24 of these helicopters manufactured by the Lockheed Martin under the foreign military sales from the US government at an estimated cost of $2.4 billion. The ceremony was held at Naval Base Station Northern Islands or NAS Northern Islands, San Diego on Friday that marked the formal transfer of helicopters from the US Navy to the Indian Navy. It was attended by India's ambassador to US, Ranjit Singh Sandhu. The ceremony also witnessed the exchange of documents between the Vice Admiral Kenneth Whiteshell, Commander Naval Air Force US, the Navy, and Vice Admiral Ramandeep Singh, DCNS. The senior leadership of the US Navy and the Lockheed Martin Corporation were also present. Sandhu said that the induction of these all-weather multi-role helicopters is an important milestone in the India-US bilateral defense ties. He also said that India-US friendship touching the skies. Going beyond the defense trade, India and the US are also working together in the co-production and co-development of the defense platforms. He highlighted about the reforms measures that have been taken by the India in the defense sector in the recent past to open up new opportunities for the foreign investors. The MS-60 Romeo helicopters is an all-weather helicopters designated to support the multi-missions with the state-of-the-art avionics. The induction of these MS-60 Romeo helicopters would enhance the India's naval capacity in the three-dimension capability. The helicopter would be modified with several unique equipments and weapons, the first batch of which has already been transferred to the Indian Navy. These helicopters will enhance the India's capacity in the various fronts, such as the front of preventing the disaster management such as flood and the landslides, because India Navy has a good record of helping the other neighboring countries in their flood prone situations, and also the Indian coastal areas such as Kerala and Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, where Indian Navy runs various operations in order to prevent the people from the disasters such as flood and the landslides. This makes this US-India deal so significant that India is procuring 24 of these MS-60 Romeo helicopters. This deal is so significant also because it is mending up the ties between the India and US and helping them, both the countries, to adopt a good relationship and the good military ties with each other. There are various naval exercises which are also being conducted between the US and India, such as Malabar Coastal Exercise with US and Japan, which is one of the significant exercise for the quadrilateral grouping. This is all about the recent developments between the India and US and this deal. So thank you for listening to this video, and please like, share and subscribe to this video. Thank you for patiently listening.